Hey there, today we're going to be making some pink velvet waffles. They're going to be mini waffles and they're going to be strawberry flavored. All right, we have our flour, sugar, butter, eggs, food coloring, strawberry extract, vanilla extract, baking powder. I use this buttermilk powder because every time I have buttermilk in the refrigerator, it seems to go bad, and I never use it all. All right, we have our mini waffle maker and our bowls, and we have salt. All right, about to get started. All right, we added in our flour, sugar, baking powder, salt to this mixture, and we're going to just whisk it around a little bit. That'll be enough. Okay, over here we've added in our buttermilk, our butter, our eggs, our flavorings, and I will list all the ingredients in the description box on my YouTube cooking channel, Cooking Pretty with Roz. Right next to the video name, you'll see the little black arrow, and you can click on that and you'll see a list of all the ingredients and the instructions. All right. All right, so we blended this up, and now I'm going to add in the food coloring. Okay, we added in our pink food coloring. I don't know if you can see it really well, but it's a beautiful pink color. And I'll give you the equivalent if you're using the liquid food coloring, how many drops you should put in, and all this will be listed in the description box. I use the food coloring paste. Okay, we're going to add our buttermilk mixture to our flour mixture. Okay, after stirring your mixture, we're going to set it aside for about 5 to 7 minutes, and you're going to plug in your waffle iron and let it get hot. And it's okay if you see lumps. Lumps are okay. Lumps are okay. Now, lumps are not okay in your gravy, in your grits, in your oatmeal, but they're okay in this waffle mix. In the meantime, in between time, I went and got my little garnishes out. I cut up me some strawberries. I was going to use regular syrup, but then I said, you know what? I'm going to use some dark chocolate syrup and see how that tastes. I believe it's going to be great. Strawberries and chocolate go good together. Okay, and you know we can't have this waffle without the whipped cream. Whipped cream can be used for so many different things. And I have some pink pearls. I like pink pearls. All right, we're going to spray the waffle iron generously. Okay, I added 1/4 cup of our waffle mix. Now we're going to shut this baby down. Now after you shut it down, the indicator light is going to come on. That means it's cooking. Now when that indicator light goes off, you don't see that red anymore, that means your waffle is ready. Okay, our indicator light has shut off. Let's carefully, and remember to use your mitt, carefully lift this up. Uh-oh. And there she goes. All right, look at this right here. Aren't those gorgeous? I try to do like a little design. I put just a little less than 1/4 cup in the first one, and then the second one, I did more of a full 1/4 cup, and so on and so forth, just to make it look a little different. All right. I think I'm gonna sing this song. I think I better let it go. Let go. Looks like another love TKO. Oh, yes. Now for some whip. Oh, yes. All right, we added our strawberries. Oops, look at that. When you fall, you recover. So I flipped it to the other side. Okay, I added a little bit more chocolate syrup just because I wanted to. Now let's try this out. You know I'm not going to eat all this, but I'm going to taste it. Ooh, they're nice and soft. Some of that chocolate. Look at all that cream. Oh, that's good. Oh, yes.